Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite channel on YouTube, Math Vibes, where learning math is so easy. Today in this video, we are going to learn about expanded form of whole numbers. And we will find out two ways or two methods to write down the expanded form of some numbers. So before we start, take a minute to click the subscribe button. So let's move on. Firstly, what is the meaning of expanded form? Expanded form होता क्या है? Okay, see अगर आप expanded form का मतलब देखो तो what do you mean by expand? Something which expands, right? Expand is something which expands. ये कुछ कोई चीज जो कम से ज्यादा हो. Okay, बढ़ा के लिखना किसी चीज को. So in maths, the expanded form is also when we write down the numbers in a bigger form. Okay, when we write down exactly how the number has been made. Okay, so mathematical definition will be that expanded form means to write the place value of each digit in a numeral. Okay, to write the place value of each digit in a numeral. वो सारी place values जिनको add करके number बना है, ठीक है? That is called expanded form. Alright, now today in this video we are going to learn about expanded form of whole numbers. So let us quickly revise what are whole numbers. Can you see these two pictures? Can you see it on your screen? Can you have tell me some idea? You can write in the comment box that what are whole numbers. We have already made a video on whole numbers. It is in the playlist numbers. Okay, you can go through that video if you are not if you just get confused about what are whole numbers. So whole numbers are the set of natural numbers along with the number 0. Okay, whole numbers are the set of natural numbers along with the number 0. So now you know about the meaning of expanded form. Now you know what are whole numbers. So let us learn about expanded form of whole numbers. Now why I have made this video first is because unless we were doing the concept of decimal series actually, right? But and before you know expanded form of decimals, if the concept of expanded form of whole numbers is not clear to you, you will never be able to understand expanded form of decimals. Okay, so after that the next video will be expanded form of decimals, but for that it is very important that you should know that how to do expanded form of whole numbers. So let us discuss the first method, and here is our first question where we have to find out the expanded form of 8596. 8596. Firstly, I'll tell you the easier method. Okay, not a mathematical method. It is just a kind of a trick to do the question quickly. Okay, so 8596 can be written as this. Now how? See, 8. If you take this number 8, then after 8, how many numbers are there? How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. 8 के बाद कितने नंबर हैं? 3. Okay. So, we will add 1 के साथ 3 zeros, which is 1000. So, 8 into 1000. Okay. Plus. Now, the next number is, which is the next number? Yes, tell me. The next number is 5. Okay, the next number is 5. अब 5 के बाद कितने नंबर हैं? 2. There are two digits, 9 and 6. 5 के बाद 2 digits हैं. So 1 के साथ 2 zeros ऐड कर दो. So 5 into 100. Plus, अब इन सबके बीच में प्लस का साइन आएगा. Alright? We'll put the sign of plus everywhere. Now after 9, how many digits are there? 1. Okay. After 9, you have only one digit, right? Which is 6. 9 के बाद सिर्फ एक ही digit है 6. So that means 1 0 will come. So 1 0 वाला number क्या होता है? 10. So 9 into 10. अब 6 के बाद तो कोई भी number नहीं है. तो हम 0 लिख दे? No. Because if I multiply any number with 0, the answer becomes 0. If I want the same answer, then I have to write 1. अगर किसी भी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आंसर तो 0 आएगा. अगर मुझे सेम आंसर चाहिए तो किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? 1 से. ओके, this is a trick way of doing, and the exact mathematical way I'll explain it in the second method. Okay, so this is the easiest method, and this can also be written as this, which is super easy. सीधा 8 लिखो, 8 के आगे 3 digits 30, plus 5 के आगे 2 digits 20, 9 के आगे 2 digits 9 के आगे 1 digit, so 10, और 6 के आगे कुछ भी नहीं है तो 6 को ऐसे ही रहने दो. So this is the expanded form of the number. Now this I have told you so that you can, this is the full explained way. Okay, so you should know both, but you, even if you will write this one, it is going to be correct. So you can directly write this. Okay, now let us see one more example to know the concept more better. But before that, let's look at the second method, which is more mathematically correct and which is the exact way of writing expanded form. Okay, that was the trick. Those who जिनको जल्दी नहीं पता लगता कि कैसे करना है, और otherwise also that is the easiest method. अब वो बनते कैसे हैं? Now how we write that 1000 and everything, 10, 100 कहाँ से आए? First of all, we have to write the place of each of the digits. Okay, that is what expanded form was all about. So चलो place लिखते हैं. 6 is at 1's place, 9 is at 10's place, 5 is at 100's place, and 8 is at 1000 place. It is like that, right? 6 is at 1's place, 9 is at 10's place, 5 is at 100's place, 8 is at 1000's place. That is why in the previous method we have written 8 into 1000 plus 5 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 6 into 1. Ones means 1. 6 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया था, 9 को 10 से किया था क्योंकि वो टेंस की प्लेस पे है, 5 को 100 से किया था क्योंकि वो हंड्रेड्स की प्लेस पे है, 8 को 1000 से किया था क्योंकि वो 1000 की प्लेस पे है. चाहे आप अपने क्वेश्चन को फर्स्ट मेथड से ही कर लो, राइट, बट यू शुड नो दैट व्हाट इज द एग्जैक्ट रीजनिंग, and this is the exact reasoning, that because they are at these places, that is why we are multiplying by 1000, 110 and all that. Okay, now in the second way, now if I don't want to write zeros, अगर मुझे नहीं लिखने हैं, मुझे confusion होती है zero लिख के, ठीक है, I don't want to write it, then what is the other way of writing? This is the other way. You can write it as it is. You can write 8,000s. 8 is at 1000 place. 8,000s plus 500s plus 9 tens plus 6 ones. ठीक है, but the important thing over here is कि अगर आपने इनमें places लिखते टाइम ये वाला s नहीं लगाया, अगर आप places लिखते टाइम ये वाला s नहीं लगाओगे तो आपके मार्क्स कट जाते हैं. Okay, so this is very important that you should write s after the places. ये method भी बहुत easy method है, इसमें zeros नहीं लगाने पड़ते, but the only thing that you need to take care is you have to write s along with the places. Okay, that's it. This is the expanded form. Okay, so let us next find out the expanded form of 52,651 by the first method. Okay, so by first method now it should be clear to you. Okay, if you if you want to write it in more expanded form, you can write like this, but if you don't want to write like this, you can skip it also. Okay, so you can straight away write 50,000 plus 2,000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 1. I have written this because I wanted you to know कि ये बना कैसे. Okay, so सीधा 5 लिखो, 5 के आगे कितने डिजिट हैं? 1 2 3 4, 4 zeros लगा दो. प्लस 2 लिखो, 2 के आगे कितने डिजिट्स हैं? 3, 3 zeros लगा दो. 6 के आगे कितने डिजिट्स हैं? 2, 2 zeros लगा दो. 5 के आगे कितने डिजिट हैं? 1, 1 0 लगा दो, और लास्ट वाला नंबर एज इट इज. हो गई हमारी एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म. ओके, बट इफ यू वांट टू डू द सेम क्वेश्चन with the second method, how will you do? First of all, you have to write down the places. Okay, so ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and this is 10,000. Okay, this is 10,000. So after writing all the places, it is very easy. You just have to write 5 10,000s plus 2,000s plus 600s plus 5 tens and plus 1 1. Okay, now in this question also one important thing is there. If you have noticed, then I have not written s over here. Everywhere I have written S. And in the previous example, I told you that it is very important to write S, otherwise your marks will be deducted. Then how come I have not written S over here? The reason is that if you notice this number, then this is 1. And how can 1 is always singular? How can 1 be plural? If something is 1, if you have 1 apple, then you have 1 apple. You cannot write 1 apples, right? 1 chocolates. It's completely wrong, right? So that is why we don't write s over here, because when something will be in 1, it will be singular. So now this method we will follow for everywhere. Okay, even if it is 110, then we will write 110,000 or 1000 or 100 or 110. And here it was 1 1, so we have written like this. Okay, I hope it is clear to you, and if you are liking a video, do press the subscribe button quickly. Okay, so let us take now this number. I'm taking now bigger numbers. Okay, we have started with easier numbers. Now I'm taking bigger numbers, and this is our first method. This we will do by first method, which should be clear to you till now. How to do? Write 5, count the number of digits 1 2 3 4 5. तो 5 के बाद 5 zeros. ओके, 0 के बाद 1 2 3 4, तो 0 के बाद 4 digits, 4 zeros. ओके, 2 के बाद 3 0, 6 के बाद 2 zeros, 5 के बाद 1 0 और 7 के बाद 1. ओके, और अगर इस मेथड से नहीं लिखना, देन नो वरीज, यू कैन राइट स्ट्रेट अवे. ओके, 5 के बाद 5 zeros थे. 5 zeros किस में होते हैं? लाख में. सो 5 लाख प्लस 0. Okay, 5 lakh. You will not write 5 zeros over here. That's 0 के बाद 4 zeros है, तो 4 zeros लगा दो. अगर आप चाहे 5 zero लगाओ या 5,000 zero लगाओ, 0 means 0 only. 0 means nothing. So even if you write 1 0, that will represent nothing. And even if you write crore times 0, that will still mean nothing. Right? So why to waste a time writing so many zeros? Okay. So you will not write so many zeros, you will just write 1 0. So the number is 5 lakh plus 0 plus 2000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 7. Now by the second method, if I want to answer, then the same steps will follow. First of all, you will write the places ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Okay, so the answer will be 5 lakh plus 0 10,000 plus 2,000s plus 600s plus 5 tens plus 7 ones. Now I have done one mistake here deliberately, and I wanted you to tell me in the comment section below that what is the mistake. Okay, pause the video and answer in the comment section below. I will let you know after 5 seconds. Okay, tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4 and tick tick 5. Well, we have to write S after each place. I have not written S here. You have to write. So it should be 5 lakhs. Yes. Watch the video carefully. I am going to ask you questions like this. Okay. Alright. So now you have to find the expanded form of 8004. I have taken now numbers that have zeros to explain something which students often get confused about. Okay, so by the first method, if you see, it should be after 8. How many digits? 3. So it should be 8000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4. Okay, but some of you write like, we can also write like this. Of course, you know that 8 into 1000 plus 0 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 4 into 1. Okay, some of you write like 8000 plus 000 plus 00 plus 4. The reason behind this is that they think that after 0, 2 digits are there, so 3 zeros should come. But already I have explained it to you that even if you write 1 0 or if you write 1000 zeros, the answer is 0 only. So don't waste your time. Just write down the answer like this, only with 1 0. Okay? Even if you write 2 or 3 zeros, it is not wrong, but it shows that the concept of 0 is not clear in your mind. Alright? So, some of you write like, some of you skip writing zeros, but I don't recommend writing this. Some of you do it right also, but consider it right, like there are two opinions. But when expanded form means, then you have to write the place value of each digit. Then 0 is also an important digit in this question. Then why should you skip it, right? So you should write this method. This is absolutely right. Okay. So now if you want to write it by the second method, that once again you have to write the places ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Then you have to write the expanded form, which is yes, 8000s plus 0 hundreds plus 0 tens plus 4 ones. Okay. Don't forget to watch our next video in the series Concept of Decimals Part 6, which will be on expanded form of decimals. As you are well aware now of expanded form of whole numbers, so we can move on with the next part. To press the subscribe button, do like and share. We are waiting for you to come every day. Bye bye.